Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most attractive woodworking ideas, wooden furniture designs and ideas, useful wooden furniture designs and ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy stylish woodworking ideas, wooden home decor projects, wooden furniture designs, home and office furniture designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Entire home decor ideas, make money with woodworking ideas is to make beautiful and attractive woodworking ideas, stylish wooden projects you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about woodworking, very useful ideas you can see in this my channel. Those who love such type of woodworking, most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Beautiful furniture designs, useful furniture designs, sitting designs and ideas. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos and get more stylish different designs and ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my wooden collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video and also give the feedback in the comment section about